Meaning of enhance.
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 Enhance. The term enhance means to improve or increase the quality, value, or effectiveness of something. The process of enhancing involves giving a boost to something, often by adding or intensifying certain features, characteristics, or attributes. When something is enhanced, it becomes better than it was before. Enhancing can be achieved in various domains such as technology, health, education, and entertainment. For instance, enhancing a photograph can result in clearer, brighter, and more vivid images that are visually appealing to viewers. Similarly, enhancing a product can make it more desirable, functional, and competitive in the market.